भी ले लीजिए।
आपका 111 एंड लो 65 एंड पल्स रेट 89। आपका लो है थोड़ा सा, नीचे का लो है, नीचे का लो है 65 ही होना चाहिए। आपका लो है और आप थोड़ा वो नमक खाइए, थोड़ा सा नमक वाला चीज़ खाइए तो आपका नॉर्मल हो जाएगा। हाँ, ऊपर का 110 ही आपका लो है। वेट चेक कर लीजिए। 60
Where is Chandan? This is Chandan sir. So here we are in the science exhibition of Emmanuel Mission School. It is in Bihar, Shivan, and he is the mastermind behind this one. And let us have a talk to this one. Sir, really what is going on here? इधर क्या हो रहा है?
नो इट्स रियली बच्चों के लिए ये बहुत जो है क्या बोलते हैं कि बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है इस चीज़ को लेके, और ख़ासकर जो है बच्चे आज उनको इस तरह का ट्रेनिंग दिया गया है कि जितने भी लोग एग्जीबिशन में आए कम से कम उनका हेल्थ चेकअप हो जाए फ्री में। और ये एक हेल्थ के तरफ से भी अवेयरनेस है, और दूसरा है कि इससे जाहिर सी बात है कि बच्चों को फ्यूचर में कुछ अच्छा डॉक्टर्स बनने का, मेडिकल लाइन में जाने का एक अच्छा गाइडलाइन मिलेगा।
Okay sir, thank you so much sir. So this is Chandan sir. So Chandan sir was behind this mastermind, and this is the students of 9C. This is the students of 9C. So these are the patients, those who came here today. Which ask her, I don't know how to ask.
मैडम, ये जो बच्चों के द्वारा हेल्थ चेकअप कैंप लगाया गया है, इसको आप किस तरह से देखती हैं?
बच्चे जो हेल्थ एग्जीबिशन लगाए हैं देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा, और मैं भी यहाँ पर अपना हेल्थ चेक कराई, क्योंकि हम लोग इतने बिजी हो गए हैं कि इसके लिए टाइम नहीं मिल पाता। और यहाँ आने के बाद यहाँ भी हमारा भी चेकअप हुआ, मुझे अच्छा लगा, और बच्चों का भी ये देख के बहुत खुशी हुई कि बच्चे इस फील्ड में बढ़ चढ़ के भाग ले रहे हैं, और आगे इनको मतलब अगर डॉक्टर बनना है तो इनका सपना सकता है। थैंक यू।
Thanks. So here we can see generally the patients are coming again and again. Plenty of them they are checking. Right now you can see they are checking the BP of the patient. Really she's not a patient, she is the guardian of a particular student, and she came here, and now here you can meet our little doctor Zainab Nesar of 9C of Emmanuel Mission High School. And here you can see the Mahnur Arif of 9C. There the Hari Mashan of 9C. Afsha Aftab of 9C.
आपका ऊपर का है 100 एंड लो 69 एंड पल्स रेट 100। आपका बीपी लो है, आपका बीपी लो है। आप साल्टी चीज़ थोड़ा लीजिए, खाइए तो आपका इंशाल्लाह नॉर्मल।
लेडीज मैम आप लोग भी आइए,
मैम लास्ट टीचर
लास्ट खड़ा है
45।
बहुत कम लेते हैं यार।
Yeah, Mahinu, what is the response over here? What's the any language? What is the response over here? How do you feel in this?
यहाँ पे हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और हम लोग को एक एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है कि यहाँ पे हम लोग यहाँ पे बीपी चेक कर रहे हैं लोग, हाइट चेकअप हो रहा है, वेट चेकअप हो रहा है, देख सकते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे हाइट चेक हो रहा है यहाँ पे और हम लोग कर रहे हैं और इससे हम लोग को ये फ़ायदा हुआ कि हम लोग को पता चलेगा कि कैसे हम लोग को क्या करना है और बस।
Thank you so much.
ये वाला जा
Bhumi Kumari of 9C, Samina of 9C. This is our madam, Reshmi ma'am. She's one of our teacher of this school. So madam, how do you feel about this experiments going over here? कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, वेरी नाइस। दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज हेल्थ चेकअप कैंप।
Okay, no, what about the overall of the school?
Very nice.
So how
Parents
much
are coming.
कितना दिन पहले शुरू किया इसका तैयारी वगैरह, इतना बढ़िया खूब तरीके से आपने बनाया, तो बताइए।
15 days.
15 days लगा था ये
Yes.
पूरा। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। This is Giri sir of our school. He's the class teacher of 10C. Sir, how do you feel about this particular event?
So this event is focused on student strength, ability, skill, and focus on scientific method.
Yeah.
Also method of how to grasp the thing, how to think better and better,
Okay.
and how to use the technology.
How much time did you take for this one altogether to contribute this one?
So very less time, but
In very less time, you have made this much great things.
yes.
Oh, that's a great thing that in very less time, now you can see he's the class teacher of 10C of this Emmanuel Mission School, and he says that in a very less time, the students together they could do this much great things. So great effort, sir. God bless you.
But
Keep it up.
ability,
Yeah.
strength, and determination, the most important thing. When the time is less, a student can do much better.
Yeah.
Because time is important factor for the
Okay.
life.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Carry on. Excuse me, ma'am. This is Meenakshi, ma'am. She's one of the teacher of this school. So, madam, how do you feel about this particular event going over here? How much time did you took for this one altogether? How much time did you took for manage all these things? You are one of the main
It took a lot
teachers.
of time to prepare all the students, and it took a lot of time to prepare all the students and manage this program. About 15 days we are preparing this program. We are practicing for it. We are making arrangement for parents, students.
Okay, thank you for your great effort, great work. Here you can see this second checkup camp going over here. This is Inzamamul Haq of 9C, Asghar Abbas of 9C, Ashish of 9C, Ayush Kumar of 9E, Dayanidhi Dubey of 9C, and here you can see
Rohit Pandey, 9E.
9E ka naam? Rohit Pandey of 9E. They are checking here. They are checking the BP of a patient here. He's actually a guardian here, and he came over, and the children are doing a best work. And now Insamamul Haq is the doctor in charge, and you can see the BP machines are also available there, and they are checking in the correct manner. They are giving the guidelines also. Even if their BP is high or low, they used to inform to the patients, and they used to guide them what foods they have to consume and what food they have to avoid. They are giving a correct, clear-cut evidence for that one. They are giving.
Yes, ma'am.
सर बीपी लेवल इज समथिंग हाई, तो प्लीज़ मसाला वाला सामान मत खाइएगा हिंदी में, और मसाला वाला सामान के साथ जो मीट होता है ना, मीट वो भी कम कर दीजिएगा, और तेल वाला कोई सामान बहुत कम ही खाइए, क्योंकि सर इस वक्त तो ओल्ड एज में हैं आप, तो इस वक्त वो आपके लिए सेहत के लिए हानिकारक होगा। थैंक यू सर, थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग। यहाँ पे ऑर्डर हाइट के लिए मतलब चाहिए आ रहा है
Here they are checking the height. They are checking the height of the particular patient. It is because they have to check the BMI, the body mass index. They have to check it out, and now they are checking the height of the particular person. And from this one, and there you can see a beautiful contribution by Asghar Abbas. He made a working model of this one. It's a board. Yeah, it's a board over here. Now you can see there is a donation also counter. There is a donation counter for.
सर, डू यू वांट टू
cancer.
डोनेट सम रुपया? आप क्या इधर कुछ पैसे देने चाहते हैं? जो कैंसर के पेशेंट हैं।
The donation for the cancer patients, collections for the just focus on collecting the donation for the patients.
Here you can see one of the ladies. She is donating for the cancer patients here.
Thank you, ma'am.
And definitely this amount will be contributed to the school also. It's a great work that Insamam and Party they are doing together. Here you can see another one gentleman. He is also giving a small donation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
for
very much.
It's a great work. It's a great work that they are doing over here. And this amount will be contributed towards the school. And from the school we will be giving this to the cancer patients. To that fund we will be giving here. This is Mr. Brijesh Upadhyay. He's one of the sir, a senior most sir of the school. Let us share. Let us ask him what's going over here and what is his experience behind this one. Sir, can you share your experience from this one?
सर, सबसे पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा इस विद्यालय के उन बच्चों को जिनके द्वारा ये प्रदर्शनी हो रही है और इनका भविष्य में जो आने वाले 10-20 सालों में जो अभी यहाँ से सीख के जाएंगे, हमारे साइंस टीचर्स के द्वारा जो सहयोग मिला है, विद्यालय के मैनेजमेंट द्वारा जो सहयोग मिला है, हमारे बच्चों के द्वारा यहाँ पे एक हेल्थ चेकअप सेंटर प्रोवाइड कराया गया है, जिसमें जो भी पेरेंट्स आ रहे हैं उनका ब्लड प्रेशर, हाइट, वेट, ये सारी चीज़ें मतलब कैलकुलेट करके बताई जा रही हैं। पेरेंट्स इन चीज़ों को काफ़ी सराह भी रहे हैं और बच्चों का यह काफ़ी सराहनीय प्रयास है और ये विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी आने वाले भविष्य में बच्चों को काफ़ी मोटिवेट करेगी। आने वाली तकनीकें हैं, बच्चों का कला प्रदर्शन है, विज्ञान प्रदर्शन है, ये सारी प्रदर्शनी सराहनीय है।
सर, कितना वक्त लगा था ये पूरा इतना खूब तरीक़ा से आप लोग ने ये बनाया? हमको ऐसा लग रहा है कम से कम 1 महीना तो मिला होगा इतना पूरा सजाने के लिए।
नहीं सर, ये काफ़ी मतलब कम समय में इस प्रदर्शनी को हम लोगों ने मतलब कोशिश की है बच्चों के द्वारा मोटिवेशन करके कि आप तैयार करें। काफ़ी कम समय में अच्छी प्रदर्शनी करने की कोशिश की है।
दैट्स अ ग्रेट वर्क, दैट्स अ ग्रेट वर्क। आई थॉट दैट, मैंने ऐसा सोचा कम से कम 1 महीना तो मिला होगा इन सभी को, लेकिन सर का ये कहना है कि बस 7 डेज़ में इतना खूब तरीक़ा से उन लोगों ने सजाया। इट्स अ ग्रेट वर्क।
हमारे मैनेजमेंट का सबसे अधिक सहयोग है, ऑपरेशन बहुत अच्छा हमारे मैनेजमेंट का, प्रिंसिपल हो, मैनेजर्स हो, ये सारे लोग ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं। हमारे साइंस टीचर, आर्ट्स टीचर, सारे लोग सहयोग दे रहे हैं। अब्राहम सर के द्वारा इस से पहले मतलब मोटिवेट किया गया था बच्चों को, टीचर्स को भी किस तरह से आज के इस फंक्शंस को आगे लेके जाना है, नई नई चीज़ों को बताना है। धन्यवाद देंगे हम राम सर को भी।
Okay, thank you so much, Brijesh sir. So Brijesh sir was talking to us and he says now let us see another one more contribution. And here you can see logo kahan hai. Here you can see there is a message made up of the 9th students. These are the list of the students who have made this one. You can see here they have made the name Agni. Okay, the team behind this one really it is Ayush Kumar. One by one they will give their names, and here they are. I'm handing over the mic. Tell me what is the experience behind this one and how long did you took to make all these things? ये क्या है? First of all ये क्या है? आपका नाम पहले बताइए.
Myself Ayush Anand from 9C. This is the steel model of missile Agni 5. we are made this by our hands. We mentioned our team name here. This missile Agni 5, it has capacity to launch the nuclear bombs. It has capacity to bear the weight of 15,000 kg. Its speed is 240 miles. It is made in India. It is made by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization.
So may I know your name? May I know your name, please?
Myself, Aryan Yadav,
It is Aryan Yadav. Which class you are studying?
9C.
9C. Okay, next one, next teammate.
We are from 9th.
Myself, Rajnish Raj,
He is Rajnish Raj. From which class?
9C.
9C. Okay, good one.
Myself, Sahil Kumar,
Sahil Kumar. From which class?
a student of Standard 9C in Mission High School.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Sahil. It's a great work. And here,
Myself, Aditya Pathak,
oh, you are in a different uniform. What's behind that uniform?
Scout Guide.
Because all of them are in white uniform. You alone are in another.
Scout Guide.
Oh, you are a Scout Guide member also. Okay, so he is regulating the discipline over here. And here you can see the next fellow,
My name is Pradeep Yadav,
Pradeep Yadav. Of which class?
9C.
9C. Okay, okay. Next one. Yeah, he is another Scouts fellow. You can see.
Ankit Singh,
He is Ankit Singh. Of which class?
9C.
9C. 9C. Here you can see one of the senior most teacher of the school. He is Shagundan Tiwari, sir. Sir, can you share a little bit of experience regarding these things? How much? What do you think about this exhibition?
It is very much exciting that the students of 9C has made the model of the Agni missiles and Prithvi missile. That is one of the most strategic missile system of India.
Yeah.
Mainly, the defense of the India is totally depend upon these two missile system. So that it is very inspiring for us also that they have got the inspirations from the teachers and they made the model like this.
Great, sir. I think which subject are you teaching here, sir?
I am teaching here in SST.
Oh, that's why you know this much more about these missiles and etc. That's why you're talking that much more.
Yes,
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for coordination. Now here you can see there are Scouts and Guides students here standing here. They are standing for the disciplinary actions. May I know your name, please?
My name is Kumar. My name is Kumar Gaurav,
Kumar Gaurav. Which class?
9C.
9C. What about you?
So myself is Satyam Kumar Soni, and
Satyam Kumar Soni.
I am in the class of 9th A, and we
9th
are standing here for Congress. So many of the people who are coming here entry gate
To control that one.
to control it.
And the discipline also.
And discipline also.
Who is the teacher behind this one, the Scouts and Guides? Who is teaching you?
There is a Bhanu Pratap sir.
Who is it?
Bhanu Pratap sir.
Bhanu Pratap sir. In charge of the school, who is it?
In charge of the school, of principal ma'am are given me.
Okay.
Principal are giving me order to stand over here and congratulations all the people who is coming from the outside.
So you are
and-
controlling all the people those are coming from this main entrance. Okay, so this is the main entrance.
Yeah, this is the main entrance, and here it is, you can see here, sir, and the exit entrance is there.
Okay, from there they will exit.
They will exit.
There they can see from the here they are coming. The people are guided over here, and these are the two guys behind that one.
Thank you
And
so
there
much,
you go.
sir.
God bless you. So here is Harendra sir, and he is one of the main teacher of science, and he is the man behind this one. All these things they have done this one. So sir, can you please share how much effort did you took behind this one?
The effort is very good.
How much time did you go to? Exactly, I think that
all parents are satisfied. All parents are satisfied.
Okay.
Because
what about the
our
teachers
models,
side, teachers and
our
students?
Working models and non-working models are well explained. Our motto of exhibition.
Okay, it's a nice work, sir, because I think that the teachers of this Emmanuel, they motivate the student to a great extent.
Okay.
And that's what they are doing like this, no?
Okay.
That's a great work. God bless you, sir. Great work, great work. Hats off. Yeah, your name, please? Gaurav Prakash. And he is of which class? 9th E. Okay, he is of 9th E and he is in charge with scouts and guides, and he is just guiding the control of this population, right? Plenty of children and parents, they're together, they're coming. So here you can see there in front of me there is another guides, scouts and guides standing here. Here is our Gucci Andy. So plenty of them are together here. There is Sushil Patoli sir and Bharat sir is standing over there, and he is also one of the science teacher who is teaching here. Sir, what is the experience behind this one? How do you feel about this one? कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये?
Very nice, and if I stay in the science college, then I want to, when I stay in any institution, try to do the science activities.
Okay.
So today I am very happy because seeing here science exhibitions are open and different models are also seen.
Nice work, Bharat Sharma sir. Nice work. This is Sushil Patoli sir. He is working as an English teacher here in the Department of English up to the 12th class. He is a teacher serving as a secondary school teacher here. Here, excuse me ma'am, this is our principal madam, and here you can see our PRO sir and teaching staff of Emmanuel Convent here. Let me have a word from our principal madam. Madam, how do you feel about this, the thing behind this one? How much work the teachers and the students would have done behind this one?
They have really worked hard, and students have taken a special effort. Creatively they have made the things, and really worth seeing.
So by seeing this one, we feel that you have got a lot of time, at least 1 month to contribute all this thing. Is it true that you got that much time?
No. It is just 3 to 4 days, not 1 month.
It's a great work that she's saying they got only 3 days. And inside these 3 days, they could do this much better. And I think plenty more than 50 of working and still models we have seen there. So what about the teacher side and from the director, from the management? Were they supportive, and what were the contribution towards this one?
Mainly teachers have supported.
Yeah.
Of course, management they have supported, but main support was there from teachers.
From the teacher side also.
Hard work was being done by the children.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, madam. So this is our principal madam. Her name is Kamila Ika. Thank you so much. So this is our manager, sir. And this is our PRO, sir. So can you say a few words about this one?
Yeah.
How do you feel this one?
I feel very glad to see all the models functioning or non-functioning. Their efforts are very appreciable, and teachers are also help them, and I congratulate all the teachers and the students on this occasion.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So this is Mini Madam, the principal of Emmanuel Convent School, Anand Nagar. And Madam, may I like to hear from you? How is it?
Okay, today I am here as a guest.
Yeah.
I want to see our children here. They are working and hard working here. I am so glad to hear from our students their creativity and innovations.
Yeah.
Nowadays, students chance to get more to improve day by day.
Yeah.
They have to make something for our nation, something for our creativity. They have to improve whatever the study method they are getting from their classes. They have to show and they have to go into implement in their classes, and to show the model with the parents and impact. This is an impact from their classes.
So definitely, I think that after this one, they will get more charged.
It's okay. That's definitely they will get. Means it is chargeable and every day. I think too. This is the steps we are taking in our schools to motivate day by day, and how the nation improving, and I think our students must be reaching our ISRO also.
Definitely, definitely.
That is our vision.
That's a great motivation that you are giving to the students also.
Right. One day we will see
them in that post.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay, that is our blessing, and it's a glorious moment in our school to have such a wonderful.
Thanks a lot, madam. This is Mini Prasad, the principal of Anand Nagar Emmanuel Mission School. Thank you. Very good. You. So here you can see some of the children, those who are here. May I know your name, please? Anshu Gupta. Which class? 7B. So कैसा लग रहा है? ये सभी क्या है? बताइए क्या कर रहे हैं? How to change our pollution? Environment. Okay, it's a great work. Okay, may I know your names also? Sudhi Kumari. Sanjana Kumari.
My name is Riya Kumari.
Diya Kumari. Okay, here you can see the working models. I shall come live. It's a great work they are doing over here. Oh, smoke is coming. Oh, you can see here, I think it's not that much visible, but I can see here, smoke is coming out from this tunnel, and you can see it's a factory, right? It's a factory over there, and you can see the smoke is oozing out. What's your name, dear? Shaba, which class? Fourth class. Good one. Good work. Here you can see. Okay, here you can see the different modes. This is described very well. It is described very well. And now next I am going to Shreya Kumari of 7B, and she has done something against the water pollution. And you can see from each house there are sewages. They are coming to a same single bin. I think from this one you can. What do you mean from this one? Pollutes the water. Okay.
So we should throw dust into dustbin, not in water.
Okay.
And it also causes air pollution. So we should use CNG gas in the cars, not diesel and petrol.
Thank you so much. Here you can see another working model. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful here. It's totally electricity is passing all over. And here you can see a small house. And there, see, along with this one, you can see a beautiful garden is maintained there. A water sanctuary is there. Roads are there. Cars are developed. May I know your names, please?
Alia Raudin Khan.
Which class?
9B.
9B.
Nilofer Jabi, 9B.
Nilofer Jabi of 9B.
Fatima Khan, 9B.
Fatima Khan of 9B. Of 9B. Of 9B. So these are the 9B students. I think this is a dam, right?
Yes,
Oh, it's awesome. It's a dam. Here you can see. So Farhan Dam. There is a name of the dam. You can see there is a water reservoir. From the reservoir, you can see the water used to ooze up from this one. And this is the way. So these are the shutters, right? Yeah, when you are opening these shutters, you can see it is coming over here. Yeah, here a turbine you can hear over here. See, the turbine is there. If you are connecting the turbines, the wires are also there. If you are connecting this turbine, definitely it will start working. And from the top, when this water is coming down, turbine system. And from this one, I think you can generate electricity. What is the method of generating electricity? Okay, when the turbine is being rotated.
When the turbine is being rotated, it will generate electricity, and due to which we flow the electricity in many houses like modern village, farmland, and many other things.
Okay, very good, very good. Nice work. Nice work. Here you can see the oxygen circle. You can see it. Here again you can see the next one. I think it's affected lungs. Morning. You can see here affected lungs and healthy lungs. They're demonstrating. Here you can see a cigarette. It's a lighted cigarette. When they are just lighting this cigarette, because of the smoke of the cigarette, automatically the lungs. You can see the darkness of the lungs which happen here. Here you can see it's a very clean one. Whereas the affected lungs, you can see it's almost dark over there. May I know your name, please?
Anisha Ali.
Anisha Ali of which class?
9th.
9th. What is the thing behind this one? Can you please explain in a few words?
Yes. Here we stand with a project showing that smoking is deadly dangerous for our health. In this project, we are differentiating between
demonstration. May I know your name, please? Kushi, of which class?
9th A.
9A. What's your name, dear?
Nargis Mumtaz, 9th A.
9A. Okay, these are the 9A students. They're contributing great. And here you can see some of the parents, those who are watching them, and they are also giving the signature. They are giving the report of this one, that whether they are excellent or not. You can see all of them, those who are seeing this one, they have reported in an excellence only. And what is this, guys?
Hydraulic electromagnetic.
May I know your name, please?
This is hydraulic.
Your name, please?
My name is Pallavi Shrestha.
Which class?
From class 19.
Nice. Your name, please?
From class 90.
9C. Can you please explain this in few words?
Yes, sir. This is hydraulic electromagnet crane. It is very useful for industrial area and regulation. This is electromagnetic field, and this is electromagnetic switch, and it is controlling device. It controls all the and it is very useful for factories and industrial area to lift the heavy objects.
God bless you. It's a nice work. Here you can see another one, a beautiful home here. It's lighted over. See, let me get into the home. See the brightness of the home. You can see the brightness of the home. It's totally made up of ice cream sticks only. It's a great innovation. It's a great thing. Let me ask her, what's her name?
My name is Sujat Sagar from class 9.
So from where did you got this idea to do this one? Only by ice cream sticks. Only by ice cream sticks you could make this one. From where did you got this idea?
My brother.
Your brother gave this idea. Okay, a great one. What about this one?
Sir, it is a earthquake detector. Whenever the earthquake comes to the earth, it detects the earthquake is come to your house, and it's like move. The house will move like that, then making an alarm.
Okay, here you can hear the sound also. You can hear the sound very clearly.
Then it sound produces like a vibration.
Oh, it's great. It's great.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, great. It's a water cycle. You can see over here. It's a water cycle. It's totally a water cycle. May I know your names, please? Okay, it's a water cycle. No, it's a water cycle. You can see it's very well described. Precipitation, condensation happens here. It's a bright sun over there, and beautiful clouds are presented there in a 3D evaluation. They have made it. Evaporation takes place, transpiration takes place in runoff back, and this comes back towards here. It's one of the biggest projects which we have seen here. It's one of the biggest one. I will read the name for you. It's a sewage treatment plant. It is made from the group Alpha Together. They have made it, I think they took a lot of efforts. You can see here, it's made up of matcha sticks. So all the raw materials was easily available, but they made it very beautifully. You can see here. And these all the things are just for decorating, but here comes the sewage treatment plant. Can you please explain this one? Hold on.
Sewage treatment plant is the process in which household waste or industrial waste are collected into this receiving chamber. By this chamber, they by themselves separated. Purified by physical method, biological method, and chemical method, and hence we get pure water, which we use in our house. Sewage treatment is a process to remove contaminants from waste materials, which contain household waste and industrial waste. When this process is completed, we get pure water through the tap water, which is used to drink or whatever process you use to drink. This process is also used at home to save our life or make our environment clean. And
Which class you are coming from?
9E.
9E students. So all together you are 9E students.
Yes, sir.
So it's a great work from 9E. Who is the class teacher? Harendra sir is his class teacher. We met him earlier. He was one of the science teacher here. So they done a good contribution here. You can see here. Here you can see a vacuum cleaner. Here you can see a vacuum cleaner. It's a working model. Another renewable source of energy. May I know your names also, please? Your name, please.
My name is Pala. My name is Aisha.
Which class?
We are from class 8.
All of you are from 8B.
Yeah.
Okay, these are the guys from 8B. Okay, here.
What I would like to explain what is renewable source of energy. Renewable energy is collected from natural resources which can be replenished on different time scales. There are lots of energies in the world, but we have shown some of the energies such as tidal energy, hydro energy, wind energy, solar, geothermal and biomass energy. All the energies are available joining here in this main point.
It's great work, Falak. It's a great work.
Thank you so much.
God bless you. Nice work. Here you can see a water dispenser. Oh, it's a great one. So your name is? Nazim. Yeah, so this is also a volcano eruption, you can see there. And here comes the next one. May I know your names, please? Your name? Which class? 9E. Again, 9E students. Once again, we can see here your name, please. Vaishnavi from which class?
9E.
Again from 9E, you can see the children, those who have made here beautiful. What is this? This structure is what we call tetrahedral structure. Okay, nice. It's great efforts. God bless you. Now we are coming to the next class. We are going to the next class. And here comes one of our scouts and guides. Your name is? Mohammed. In which class? 7th E. He's a 7th E fellow. You can see he's a scouts and guides. He is controlling the traffic over here. And let me go inside. Here you can see some of the working models of the students here. They have made it. What was the meaning of this? What's the name of this one?
Electromagnetic induction.
Electromagnetic induction. Once I came here, right?
Yes.
Electromagnetic induction. Yeah, it's a good one. Here you can see an ATM system. You can see here. And this is the guy behind that one. What's your name, dear? Nahian. Which class? 5th class. He's of 5th standard. Here you can see his name. Nahian. He's demonstrating that one. Here you can see when he put it, then automatically the amount came down and he's pulling it out. There it goes. Thank you so much. Good one. And here again you can see the next team. Falak, Shashia, Rajini, Sonali of 6B. What is this? Water gas filtration. Okay, it's a great effort. What was this one? Mariam Sakshi, water for flower fountain of 8C. You can see there of 8C. They have made very beautiful. They are awesome. Here you can see a projector. Here you can see a projector. And from the projector you can see something is playing over. Inside this is the projector box. This is the projector box, and inside the projector box they have made. What is this then? Oh, you can see here. It's a water alarm. See, when the water flows, when the water he dropped it, automatically you can see the alarm is. Yeah, very good one. And what's this one? You're holding some samranis in your hand. Oh, it's a smoke absorber. Smoke is coming. You can see here. He says that when it is going to connect, the smoke will come from here. Let us see. Yeah, here you can see the smoke is being pulled inside. It's pulling inside. See, you can see the smoke coming inside, and now you can see it's oozing outside. It's oozing outside. God bless you. Nice work. Which class you are? 8B. Here are the 8B students. You can see the students behind this. So you can see the students behind this one. They are from 8B.
There is a polluted and anti-polluted area. There is a polluted and anti-polluted area.
Okay,
masses, then if animal ever died, and we are compared to formula and therefore we are using plant use dustbin, environment, and changing car.
Oh, it's a great work. God bless you all. God bless you. Again, what's the name dear?
In this basic facilities, this village, this is my village. In this village, many basic facilities are available like hospital, schools, building, roads, lights, etc. Due to these basic facilities, this is known as a smart village.
Very good work. Which class you are? 6B. They are of 6B. Next one, electroplating. You can hear this is what the students are studying over here. What's the name? Which class? 8C. These are the students of 8C. And here again, you can see a volcano. Your name, please? Imam Fatima of class 8B. What is it? Of 8B, and this is the solar system they have made. You can see the sun on the center. You can see our head is beautifully made. Our head is very beautiful. It's green and gold color. It's rotating also. You can see that one. Okay, it's a good model. It's a good model. It's a good model. Your name, please?
My name is Ikra Mahmood. I am from 8B.
8B. Ikra Mahmood. Mehbooz. She's from 8B also. Next.
Good morning, sir. I am Sharifa from class 7B.
7B. What is this one?
This is our model that how pollution changes our earth.
Okay.
In 2005, there is less vehicles and more gas and less cars. So there is less pollution. But in 2019 now, there is too much vehicles and industries and more and less trees are cutting.
It's a great message she gave. In the year of 2005, there were only less vehicles, you can see less pollution, and there are much trees. It's a very important point. And now, just opposite happened, and because of that one, you can see excess pollution happened there, and more dust and garbage happened, more vehicles, and less trees. See the difference. There were much trees. There were less vehicles. There were more vehicles. That's why there it was less pollution, and here is more pollution. So great message. Live by quality. What's the name?
खुशी कुमारी सिंह.
खुशी कुमारी सिंह. कोई नहीं. अभी बोलिए क्या है?
सर ये वाईफाई है, लाइट फिडेलिटी है. जो डिवाइस को कनेक्ट करने का यूज़ करता है. जैसे कि वाईफाई की तरह है, लेकिन वाईफाई से बहुत सारा रेडिएशन क्रिएट होता है. लेकिन इससे कोई रेडिएशन क्रिएट नहीं होता. और हम जानते हैं रेडिएशन हम लोग के लिए कितना हार्मफुल है. लेकिन इससे हम लोग को इससे रेडिएशन क्रिएट नहीं होता, तो ये हम लोग के लिए हार्मफुल नहीं है. और ये रही बात सिक्योरिटी की, तो वाईफाई में कोई भी हमारे वाईफाई को चुरा के उससे डिटेल निकाल लेगा, लेकिन इससे कोई डिटेल नहीं निकालता.
Great. It's a great work. And here comes the hydraulics work. Can you show me the working? First of all, let me show them your name, please.
Ankit Kumar. Rishabh Kumar. Abhinav Kumar.
Okay, you can see the working model. You can see here. Please work it out. Work it out. Hydraulics, you can see automatically the JCB hand is working over. It's a great work. Next one, the vacuum cleaner. What's the name?
Aditya Singh.
Which class?
Class 8A.
Class 8A.
Yes, sir, class 8A, Aditya Kumar.
Aditya Kumar. Three Adityas of 8th class. Three Adityas of 8th class. They have made together a vacuum cleaner. You can see that it is sucking over. Oh, it's great. Oh, you can see that it is sucking all the unwanted garbage. You can see the very clearly. It's very thereafter they can dispose. It's a great work, great work. Now it's in condensation process, you can see here. What's your name, dear? Which class? 7A. 7A IM has made this one. It's a water circle. It's well developed. Here water, by this hot sun, it will become evaporation, then clouds, then condensation, then after that one precipitation, it becomes the clouds. He's made up of plaster of Paris. All these things they have made this one. Now you can see here. These are plants, artificial plants, and now you can see the water circle. Next one, it's a very important thing. It's an Indo-Pak border. You can see the Pakistan-India border. It's of, I can see the name. It is Wasi Azam of 9C. Are you Wasi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is Wasi Azam of 9C and Gurfan Ali of 7A. Are you Gurfan Ali of 7A? So it's a beautiful thing. You can see the Pakistan here over. It's made. And here you can see the war front. See the vehicles they have made here. The army trunk, the army tank you can see here. It's totally handmade, right? हाथ से बना हुआ है। कितना वक्त लिया है आपको ऐसा भी बनाने में?
ये बनाने में सर 35 दिन लगा है टैंक बनाने में, क्योंकि टैंक बन नहीं रहा था, बन रहा था, टूट रहा था, बन रहा था।
नहीं, इसका पीछे क्या था? क्यों आप ये बनाने का कोशिश किया?
बनाए कोशिश इसलिए किए हैं कि स्टूडेंट मेरा जाने कि हाँ पाकिस्तान का बॉर्डर होता कैसा है, इसीलिए सर ये बनाया गया कि स्टूडेंट तो देखा नहीं है पाकिस्तान का बॉर्डर, इसलिए बनाया कि वो स्टूडेंट देखे और जाने का पाकिस्तान का बॉर्डर होता कैसे है। यही सर।
It's an amazing work from Wasi Azam and Gurfan Ali. You can see there. So the great working model you can see there. It's totally made up of the hand. पूरा हाथ से बना हुआ है, पूरा चीज इंडिया का झंडा लगा हुआ है बगल में। और ये होता है येलो सी, इंडिया और ये है ना इंडिया पाकिस्तान का बॉर्डर है। Oh, it's India Pakistan border. You can see the borders. And there you can see झंडा लगा हुआ है दोनों बगल में। देखिए इंडिया का झंडा वो रहा और पाकिस्तान का ये रहा इधर। It's another white. And here is with Imam sir is with me. Sir, tell me. Sorry, sir.
This is representing the situation of Indo-Pak border and what are the condition about the armies of both countries are facing so many problems. This situation is
so it's a great project. It's a great motivation from Wasi Azam and Gurfan Ali. It's a great work. It's a great work. You heard on it. You can see the beauty. You can see the beauty. That took a lot of time, right? Lot of effort, lot of time behind this. Good. Here you can see a discipline in charge. What's your name? Which class? 7th. He's in discipline in charge. And here comes another guy. What's your name?
Anmol Kumar.
कैसा लग रहा है सभी?
Very good.
Very good. What about you? What's your name?
My name is Amrita.
Which class?
7th.
You are under Scouts and Guides.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you doing here?
Duty.
क्या है? Duty क्या है?
ID.
Controlling this one. Okay, controlling this one. And here there is another class also. It's going over there, and there you can see some teachers are sitting over there. Students are also there. They are in charge, and here also you can see the senior most class students are here. May I know your name, please?
Aisha.
Aisha, which class? 12th class.
Class is from 12th.
Okay, these are the senior secondary students here. You can see here they have produced an wastewater treatment plant. May I know about this one? Can you describe about this one? Hold.
These projects are basically the combination of many processes like filtration, chlorination, and after this process the water is taken to river and reused.
Thank you, sir. It's a great work. It's a nice theme which you have selected. What was the motivation behind this one? Why did you choose this one?
As you can notice, the water level is getting low by low, day by day.
Low by day. What message you are willing to give to the society?
Save water, save life.
Save water.
Save life.
Through this method, I think you can save the waters.
Yes, because when we reuse water, we waste water by low. Many industries throw the water in the polluted rivers and the ponds, but we can reduce and use the water. Then we can save water and
again and again we are using the same water. Okay, it's a great thing. Now water scarcity is very high, and now the guys of this Emmanuel Mission School, the topmost children of the school, they are under this one. You can see another coming. Okay. Welcome. These are all the students are there. Yasir Arafat is there. And here one scouts and guides in charge. What's your name?
Ankit Kumar.
Ankit Kumar. Which class?
9C.
9C. He's of 9C. And here you can see students. Okay.